So I'm a snack guy, baby. Let's check it out. Nope, we gotta use scissors. Snack guy scissors. Ha me. Let me hear it rope. That's what it look like. Bam. Rope. Bam. Take a little bite. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. That, bro. Mike Knight. I think I got these from Dollar Tree. Mike Knight's field rope. Brand new car. Snack guy scissors. Ha me. Go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna stop playing. They got all different flavors. I'm just gonna try one. I ain't gonna go through all of them. I'm gonna do the strawberry. So they all different flavors in here. All different flavors, but I'm just gonna do the strawberry one. All different flavors. Oh, these are, yeah, Michael Knight. Got these from Dollar Tree. Warheads. Warheads rope. Watermelon, blue raspberry, green apple. Warheads rope, cuz. Snack guy scissors. Ha me. Go ahead and get it stopped. You know they got different flavors. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. There you go. Bam, all out. Bam, I think it's watermelon cherry. Okay, I don't know what it is. See the little fill in the mouth. Oh my God, you don't stop, girl.